Hi guys! So today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing, and this is the January Glossybox. It is a little bit late because it arrived a little bit late. I think they had a few issues with shipping some people's orders, but I've got it now and I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you what I got for January's Glossybox. So I'm just going to get straight on into it. So this is the standard box for Glossybox. It's not a special edition for any sort of event or anything, just a standard Glossybox box. So then inside it's got the card explaining what the products are. So I did get an email literally like the day that this shipped saying that one of the products on this leaflet isn't in the box. There's a different item in the box. Apparently there was like a misprint or something like that. So one of these products I might not have any information for. But this is the Sleep and Refresh Glossybox. So it's all about kind of detoxing for January. So I'll open that as I open the products. So just standard pink packaging inside, which is lovely. So the first thing that's in the box is this strawberry booster. So I did see this on a like sneak peek of the box a couple of weeks ago, so I was expecting this, but I don't know what any of the other products are. So this is a cold pressed strawberry seed oil kind of serum sort of thing. I'll take it out of the box so you can see. The packaging is lovely. That is really nice. So it is a strawberry booster. I'm assuming it's just like a serum that boosts your skin. So used to boost your existing skincare routine by applying a few drops directly to your face or adding to your moisturizer. So that's really cute. I love the packaging on that. It's going to be nice to try something new skincare related for January. So this is a full-size product and its RRP is £12. So the brand, I don't think I mentioned it, is Bybee Beauty. So I've not heard of that before. So that is the first product, really cute. So the next thing is a naked bar. So this is a cocoa orange naked kind of, not breakfast bar, like a snack bar sort of thing. So I have tried this brand before. I'm not the biggest fan of them, if I'm honest, but I'll give that a try because I've not tried the cocoa orange bar. And this is just like a raw fruit and nut bar. Is it vegan? So it's 100% vegan, so anyone can eat this, which is really good. And this is not on the sheet, so this is a freebie, so that's quite nice to get. It's good that they've put that in and it's vegan because a lot of people are doing veganuary. So it's a nice little treat for those that are doing veganuary. So the next product is by Model Co. So we've probably all heard of that brand, and it's a clear brow gel. So love the packaging, and this is one of those products that literally anyone can use because it's clear, which is brilliant. I don't actually have one of these. I have like brown gels, but I don't have a clear brow gel. So just like a little spoolie with some clear gel inside. So give that a try, that'd be something new for my brows. I love getting makeup products that I don't already own. So like not just new brands, but actual products that I don't own, like a clear brow gel. So that'd be nice to try. And this is a full-size product and its RRP is £14. Okay. That's not bad at all. Just seems like a really small kind of sample, but it is full size, so very nice. Next product is something that I'm definitely going to be using. It's a makeup remover by Qureshi, and it's a cleansing and calming makeup remover. So I've never heard of this brand before, but it apparently removes waterproof and long-lasting makeup, and you can use it around the eyes or sensitive areas. And it's one of those makeup removers that kind of splits into two and you have to kind of shake it up to use it. So really useful product. So the next thing is a set of tweezers. So these are by Basic Beauty, I've never heard of that brand before. I'll just open it up. I love that these are pink. So I know the packaging is pink, but the actual tweezers are pink. That is awesome. I love pink, it's my favourite colour. So anything pink like this, like beauty tools, I just love. I do already have tweezers at home, as most people do, but these are like a really fine tip. So I should be able to get to all the really like smaller hairs a lot better. As I said, I've not heard of this brand before, but I will give those a try and love that they are pink. So this is obviously a full-size product and this RRP is £15.50. And then the last thing is a sheet mask. So if you've watched all my other unboxings, like beauty box unboxings, I always say I love some sort of face mask or eye mask or anything like that because I don't buy them for myself, so it's always a little treat to kind of have a face mask in these boxes. So this is a CBD oil infused sheet mask. So CBD oil is going crazy at the moment, it's in literally everything. So this has CBD, lavender and rosehip in, and it's completely plant-based and vegan, which is really good. Again, the whole veganuary, it's good to have products that are vegan. I'm not sure about the other products. Its RRP is £5.95 and it's obviously a full size, so I'm going to be using that after this video as a nice little treat. So that is everything in this month's Glossybox. It's a nice mix of like skincare and makeup products, which is really good. I do have a 6-month subscription of Glossybox, so it goes up to I think April or May. So if you want to see next month's Glossybox, that video will obviously be out next month, and each month up until about April I'll be doing a Glossybox unboxing. So if you want to see those, make sure you're subscribed, and if you want to see any other sort of beauty unboxings, then let me know and I will look into it. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.